In this video, we will see how to fix error code 566. An attempt was made to operate on a thread within a specific process. Error thread not in process on Windows 11 and 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Command prompt Windows will now open. Here execute these three DISM tool as shown on a screen. Execute all these three DISM tools one by one, followed by enter key on each time. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows. And after successfully execution of these three DISM tool, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter and let the window complete the scanning process. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open. Here, look for any faulty device driver having yellow color exclamation sign against device driver. If you find any of the faulty device driver, then simply expand it and right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Apply this process for all your faulty device driver having yellow color exclamation sign against device driver. So update your faulty device driver to resolve this issue. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Click on a start button and choose settings. Here on settings page, from the left side, go to privacy and security. Thereafter, go to right side and here choose Windows security. Here choose virus and threat protection. A new window will open. Here scroll down and click on scan options. Here you will find 4 options: quick scan, full scan, customized scan, and Microsoft Defender antivirus scan. Quick scan and full scan. Full scan, this scan could take longer than 1 hour, and quick scan checks folders in your system where threads are commonly found. And full scan will take 1 hour. So choose quick scan and finally click on scan now. And let the window complete the scanning process. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is open control panel in your system. Here from the available control panel item, choose programs and features. And here go to your problematic app which having issues. Or if you have recently installed any app and features, then simply select it and choose uninstall and reinstall a fresh version of that application. This may be a corrupted program files, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open control panel again, and from here choose recovery. Here click on open system restore. Restore system files and settings page will now open. Here click on next. Here choose a system restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Select your restore point and click on next. And finally confirm your restore point. Your computer will be restored to the state it was before the selected event. Choose finish and let the window complete the restoration process. After that, restart your system. That's all.